The key for most 2015 Mercedes-Benz models like C-Class, E-Class, and GLA uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Some models, especially those with remote start, may use a CR2025. Always check your owner's manual to confirm the correct battery type. To open the fob, locate the seam between the metal keyblade and the plastic casing. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to gently pry the case open. Avoid using excessive force or metal tools to prevent damage. Remove the old battery from the fob, noting the correct polarity where the positive side usually faces up. Insert the new battery, ensuring it's properly seated and oriented correctly with the positive side up. Snap the fob case back together securely to ensure proper function. Test the fob's functions by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. If the fob doesn't work, check battery polarity and ensure it's new. Dust can cause issues. Gently clean the circuit board with isopropyl alcohol. Dispose of the old lithium battery responsibly at a recycling center. Consider purchasing high-quality, long-lasting batteries for better performance. If the fob continues to malfunction after replacement, it may indicate a deeper issue requiring professional service.